This is Tony Estigoy, and today I am in a prestigious area of Granite Bay called Treelake Village.
There are many gated communities within the Treelake Village area here in Granite Bay, and this particular gated community has only 11 homes, and these are all estates and they're all custom. And as we enter the home, you're going to find almost 3,700 square feet in this beautiful two-story, completely remodeled home with a dedicated office downstairs that can be converted into a bedroom if necessary. There's a full bath. Upstairs we have 4 bedrooms, which includes the primary. And then we go into the family room. There is a fireplace. We also have an updated kitchen that's completely remodeled. And then outside you're going to find a beautiful space, a inviting swimming pool, and then beyond that is actually a part of the lake. It's low right now, but during the winter when it fills up, you're going to find river otters, cranes, and a lot of really cool wildlife.